Agdangan National High School, Agdangan, Baaw, Camarines Sur. Coming next is entry number 47, Camarines Norte State College, Laboratory High School. Daet, Camarines Norte, Corps Commander and Staff, Loren Joyce and Agustin, Corps Commander, Ina Marie Ilan, Corps S1, Maria Regina Barra, Corps XO, Pauline Belleza, Corps S2, Angelica Santiago, Corps S3, Ruth Angela Anto, Corps S4, Major Leader Janine Ahmad, Division Leader Feliz Angelo Binaduz, Company Commander Gina Marie Acahila, Company XO, Pamela Joana Pinto, Platoon Leader Boys Alan Daniel Espana, Second Platoon Leader Girls Chantal Denise O, Schoolhead Dr. Marcito Elarde, President, Principal, Dr. Adrian Quinto, City Facilitator Dario Torero, Division Trainer Uri Bayos, Major Trainer Daniel Camila, CAD Trainer Anthony Chibi Jose, DLC Assistant Trainer John Aldrich Abogado. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 47, Camarines Norte State College, Laboratory High School, Daet, Camarines Norte.
Nice.
Thank you very much. Entry number 47, Camarines Norte State College, Laboratory High School, Daet, Camarines Norte. Entry number 48, Concepcion Pequeña National High School, Naga City, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Eric Medalla, Corps Commander, Colonel Major Joshua